you've got footage for your listing's open house, now what? Have you considered using YouTube's Premiere as a way to boost visibility and engagement for your open house? With the current COVID crisis, the usual policies prohibiting hosting on YouTube have temporarily been lifted. This is great news because there are a number of benefits to using YouTube's video premiere service. My favorite, it's free. But there are many other benefits. Here's our top 5. The ability to keep business moving forward during conditions when in-person access for a house is not an option. Being able to put together a video with a clear and direct message with clean video content before the actual open house. This eliminates the potential for a plethora of technical issues when streaming live. You can upload your video days in advance and use the link to advertise your upcoming event. This gives you time to effectively coordinate your marketing efforts around video premiere's scheduled time, in turn generating more excitement for your open house. On your Premiere Watch page is a live chat room where you can engage with agents, potential buyers, and answer their questions. This means you can be a one-person show while your video tour plays, and you're answering questions. Lastly, create your video so your tour loops twice. This is a great opportunity to circle back on questions and make sure that latecomers still get to see what they came for. Let's walk through uploading your video and setting your open house event. Click on the broadcast icon and choose Upload Video. Keep in mind the video itself should not include brokerage or agent branding, no people and no pets. You can either select File or drag and drop the video into the upload window. Once selected, the upload begins. While the video is uploading, you can set your preferences. Enter a title as the address itself. For example, Tour of 123 Main Street. Your open house details go in the description box. You will need to include the name, address, and phone number of your firm. Also, be sure to add your individual information. Of course, be sure to stay aligned with state and brokerage guidelines. You'll need to indicate the video is not created for children and then hit Next. If you want to add cards to the video, you'll do that here. Otherwise, click Next. If the video you're uploading is for an event that you are holding right now, you want to keep your public option and set as instant premiere. We're scheduling a future event. So we're going to come down to schedule, enter the launch date and time, and then just be sure to set as premiere and then click schedule. And now you can use any of the share options that are here for marketing your event. On the day of your event, return to your videos and click View on YouTube. You can be there ahead of your event and use the chat to greet everyone as they arrive. For help walking through setting up your open house in showing time, watch our video, Setting Up a Virtual Showing in Showing Time. We hope that you find this useful. Be sure to check out support.brightmls.com for more tips and tools.